In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly change the font size in your document. Whether you're preparing a report, crafting a presentation, or simply sprucing up a letter, adjusting the font size is a fundamental skill that can enhance readability and appeal. We'll walk through a couple of straightforward methods to make sure you're equipped to tailor your text to your exact needs. First things first, you'll want to select the text that you're aiming to change. If you're planning to resize an entire document, you can quickly select everything by using the handy shortcut, Ctrl+A. This ensures everything you want to modify will be included in the changes you make. If you're just focusing on a specific section, click and drag your mouse over the text to highlight it. Once you have your selection, direct your attention to the Home tab at the top of your screen. This is where you'll find various text formatting options, including our target, the font group. Look for the font size drop-down menu. Clicking on it reveals a list of preset sizes from which you can choose. Your document will update in real time, so you can easily see how it looks. If one of these preset options isn't quite what you're looking for, you have the flexibility to manually input a specific size by simply typing it in. This is perfect for when you need a precise size that might not be listed. Now, if you're looking for a more fine-tuned approach, there are additional tools that can make your life easier. Take a look at the Grow Font and Shrink Font buttons. These arrows let you increase or decrease the font size incrementally. This feature is great when you want to make slight adjustments to find that perfect balance without guessing a number. It gives you control to achieve a seamless look in your document. For those of you who prefer keyboard shortcuts or might be working in versions where they're supported, there are efficient alternatives you can try. You can increase the font size step by step using Ctrl and the right square bracket, and decrease it with Ctrl and the left square bracket. This method allows for quick adjustments without lifting your fingers from the keyboard, saving time and streamlining your workflow. Adjusting font size might seem like a small detail, but it can make a significant difference in the presentation and accessibility of your content. Now you're equipped with the knowledge and techniques to adjust font sizes confidently and efficiently, embellishing your documents to communicate your message more clearly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.